Welcome to the video, guys. In this video I will be showing you how to install this Ducktail that I got installed on my 2008 Mustang. It is a month later. I just wanted to make sure everything stick and everything seems to be doing very well. Yeah, man, it's dope. Looks very nice. If we come look from this side right here, even from the side, if we come back and look at the whole car, let's go ahead and start the video. Welcome to the video, guys, and I got a new spoiler I got from American Muscle, and in this video I'm going to do step by step, kind of showing y'all guys how to install it. I am close to the kind of highway, so it is kind of loud with the cars, but should be pretty much plug and play on boat like some of the boats. So let's go ahead and get started with this. The first thing I want to say, to pretty much take off the one that's already pre-installed on the Mustang. I got 2008, by the way. It comes with, I think, 4 10mm bolts, if I'm not mistaken. You pretty much gotta unhook those, and remember it is kind of taped down as well, so you may have to use a knife or something to kind of pry it apart. But let's go ahead and get started with that. I also want to mention that the spoiler is also boxed to you in a very nice way. Y'all can kind of see right here. Also comes with a 3M tape, which is pretty cool. So let me take this one off first. I would like to mention that this is the socket I'm using. You can see it is kind of small, so make sure y'all get a long one. I kind of had to bootleg it in there to kind of get it to work, but at least I didn't strip none. I got all 4 of them out, so let's keep going. Okay, once you take the screws out, I will say, now this is the hard part, because you guys see how sticky? Well, it's not sticky at all, and it's pretty much like the tape on the underside. You gotta try to pull it apart or try to cut it at least. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I stained the mess on my car. That took a long time. This definitely is hard to get off. Y'all see all the little scratches I made. I'm definitely thinking about wrapping it anyways, or doing like a paint job. But yeah, just know if you're doing that by yourself and it's not hot or not, you probably like apply heat or something, because you're definitely gonna scratch your car even though you're trying not to. So I'm in the process of installing the new rear spoiler. Y'all can see it's pretty like matte black. I did take the little stickers out. It does come with everything. It comes with 3AM tape. It comes with, I think, other things to put around hose. And it even comes with extra screws just in case you mess up. But I took the little red parts right here and then taped them around the hose. And when you get done, you're gonna take them apart like right here to stick the bumper on top of it. So I did that for each bottom hole, just the bottom hole right here. And yeah, let's keep going. Well, it's starting to get dark, y'all, but I do got the 3M tape all around it, as y'all guys can see. Now let's go ahead and attempt to install this bad boy. I would like to mention some stuff I forgot to mention. When you install this, right, the first thing you want to do is make sure, let me go ahead and open this real quick. Make sure you install it on the front screws. You can see I got it, both of them installed only on the top screw, which is the first one. I know I forgot to demonstrate that in the video because my camera lost a lot of footage, but all you gotta do is just take a screwdriver and just screw it in really tight. Mine's happened to be screwed in really tight. I also put 2 washers on it. If you look right here, I put 2 washers on each one. For some reason, the screw wouldn't go all the way in, so I just put 2 washers on each one. And once you're done, you pretty much get this finished right here. It's on really tight, which is pretty good. Don't have to mess with it. But yeah, if y'all want to check this out, appreciate y'all guys for watching this. Make sure y'all check it out on American Muscle, and make sure y'all leave a like, subscribe, and all that. I'll let y'all see my whole car real quick. I also got videos on this, and I installed the hood scoop. I also installed the front and fog lights. So all that is linked on my page. Just go check it out.